Hello and welcome back to another video. Now today's video is a little bit different. I recorded this video about 5 weeks ago before I hurt my back, and I was just experimenting. I wasn't really going to upload this video and make it public, although saying that, members of my channel have already seen this video. But because I have been inactive and I haven't really had a chance to record anything, I thought, well, why not make this video public anyway? Some of you may find it mildly entertaining. Now, the reason I didn't make this video public will become evident towards the end, so stick around to the end and you'll see exactly why. Now, before I do show you this video, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone for all your get well soon messages. It really has meant so much to me, and it's really, kept my spirits up, so thank you. I really can't thank you enough. Right, without further ado, here's this week's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. About van life, sometimes I have to actually do some work, and today I'm working on the roof. As you can see behind me, I've stripped all the tiles off of the back of there, and I've stripped this flat roof, and the reason I'm stripping this flat roof is because all the felt had gone manky and horrible, it all cracked, and they'd started to get water dripping down in their kitchen. But the reason I want to show you is because after stripping all the felt off, I've discovered something quite unusual. Half of this roof has been covered with plywood, and the other half have been covered with chipboard. Just take a look at this, and this is why you don't want to use chipboard in your camper van. Look at that. That's somebody's roof, that is, on their house. Yeah, look at it right at the back there. You can see it's all just collapsed where it's got damp, and it was absolutely soaked. Because it's such a nice day, I said to them, today would be a nice day to do your roof. So that's what I'm up to today. I'm stripping someone's roof. Take a look at how bad this is. Yeah. I honestly don't know how I get myself involved in things like this. One of Bob's neighbours said his roof was leaking. This is the result. Nice day like today, I should be on a beach with my metal detector, but oh no, I'm up a roof, on top of a roof, doing God knows what. Anyway, it's time for a coffee. Got to get all these nails out. And there's a lot of them. A lot of them.
I've got to go down to Gloucester tonight to look at a job.
Gloucester? What's down there?
Big patio they want done or something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I heard the phone up.
Yeah.
Just left a message.
Yeah.
Notice how Bob does the important stuff. This is 2 days later. You can see we've capped the ends, we've insulated it, nice and insulated. This stuff's 4 inches thick, so that's much better than that old manky stuff that was on there. Bob's got to go and get some risers, and they're going to ensure that the roof is sloped downwards. Rather a clever bit of engineering. So, right, time for a cup of tea. Yeah, I'll have to wait for Bob to come back. The hardest part is not falling through the roof. I just hope it don't start raining like it normally does when I'm working outside, because if it does start raining, I've got to start all over again. Look at those clouds. It's just so typical, isn't it? The minute I start working outside, these little buggers appear. And that is that. I'm absolutely shattered. Look at this, lovely roof. So now tomorrow the fiberglass guys are going to come in and they're going to fiberglass the whole top of this. So now I am going to go and have a good rest. Take a look at this. This is all fiberglass now. Look at this. Look how neat that is. These are all pre-formed, these edges, so they simply lay the fiberglass over the top. There you go, look at that. So all we've got to do now is fill that little gap in and across the top of there. And the jobs are good, no, Bob?
Yeah.
It's a good job, that. So look at the other side. There you go, look at that. So these are all pre-formed, these edges. Oh, it's still a bit, still a little bit tacky. Right, let's finish this bit off now. There you go, look at that. Good as new. Actually, it is new. So the reason for this video is for all those people that think I don't actually do any work for a living. I just sit on my bum in my van all day making videos. But I did get some negative feedback from someone that said to me, why don't I go and get a proper job? Well, there you go. That is a proper job. So if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Seeing as though so many van lifers are building stuff now, I thought I'd show you that I can build stuff too.